Wednesday, Pets Day ay cuteness overload naman ang hatid mo namin. Sa inyo kasama ang fur baby na makakasama natin this morning and with his fur dad, of course.
Oy, siya ang corgi na si Peso at kasama rin natin ngayon ang kanyang fur parent na si Noel Manaligod. Good morning at welcome sa Rise and Shine
Good
Pilipinas.
morning.
Good morning, Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Happy New Year and happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday!
Oh, thank you so much.
Ako, thank you for spending your morning ng iyong kaarawan dito sa Rise and
Of
Shine
course.
Pilipinas.
Kamusta ang pagising ng maaga?
Ayun ko, pagod. Pero kinakaya naman yung day ko ngayon.
Oo naman, birthday mo ngayon, simula na ng maaga. No?
Tama.
Let's talk about you and of course, ang iyong napaka-cute na corgi. Kailan ka ba naging fur parent?
Actually, matagal na because when I was a kid, actually, I had rescue dogs. So, we didn't buy them. So,
Okay.
what happened was that my parents brought home 3 rescue dogs. So, kami magkakapatid before, we took care of them.
Okay.
And actually 5 years yung ano namin. 5 years ko silang inalaga. Tapos when my friend offered me, alright, nagustuhan ko talaga ang cardigan corgi.
Okay.
Yeah, especially if you're familiar with Queen Elizabeth corgis.
Yes, mga corgi ni Queen Elizabeth.
Yes.
Ganun,
Ibang breed po to. So
Okay.
this is a cardigan, but this is the cousin of Pembroke Welsh Corgi. That's the corgis of Queen Elizabeth. Yes. If you see.
Ang bait ni Peso.
Kaya nga eh.
Tignan mo, nag-lie down lang siya. Ang cute, ang
Yes.
bait-bait.
As a pet, kamusta naman si Peso? At ano pa yung mga characteristics ng mga corgi para malaman din ng mga ka-RSP natin?
Ang mga cardigan corgi kasi, they're very loyal to its owners. Yeah, and I can say that when I'm with friends, alright, or my family, they're very overprotective. Yeah. So susundan ka nila lagi, and if I drive home in my house in Alabang Hills, actually he is the first one always who steps in the door before I enter my house.
Sa'yo naman nun. Ang cute.
Saya.
Very loyal. May mga tricks bang alam si Peso?
Oh yes, actually I can't demonstrate it now because
Okay.
I'm sorry because wala akong dalang gamit.
Okay.
Pero he knows how to play fetch in the park. Yes.
Okay. So yun ang bonding moment ninyo madalas
Oh yes,
ni Peso.
yes. Or sometimes if I have no time because I work also day by day. Yeah, 5 times a week. So
Bait na talaga.
ang nangyayari is I ask my caretaker to bring it to the park every morning. So usually 7 a.m. He goes to the park and walks
Yun na yung
around our
routine niya.
subdivision.
Nag-exercise everyday si Peso.
At ang maganda kasi kay Sir Noel, mahilig na talaga siya sa aso. Hindi na mahirap mag-alaga ng pets.
Okay, sa mga gustong mag-alaga rin ng kagaya ni Peso, ano yung ma-advise mo sa kanila?
Oh, okay. So first is actually, of course, you have to
Ano bang mga kinakain nito ni Peso? Hindi ba mahirap pakainin ito?
Hindi naman po. Actually, he eats twice a day. Alright. And actually, si Peso, we feed him treats that you can buy in the supermarket. Yeah. And of course, we also bring him to the vet at least like every quarter to get his shots.
Just like any other breeds.
Kumakain ba si Peso ng kaning lamig? Mukhang hindi.
Of course, yes. Sometimes.
Kumakain naman.
The doctors allowed him to feed him yogurt, banana.
May social media account ba kayo kung saan pwedeng makita ng mga ka-RSP natin si Peso?
Actually, meron siya, but you can also follow him at Royal Peso Corgi in Instagram. Yeah.
Tignan mo, parang cute na
Ang ano niya?
At siya sa'yo, Bien.
Oo, ang neat niya. Totoo.
Nakaharap lang siya sa'yo kanina, naka-lie down siya.
Kasi may mga asong mataray, di ba?
Oo. Pero ito, parang pwede siya maging loyal kay Noel at pwede rin maging loyal sa Bien.
Totoo naman.
Kanina ka pa niya
Kasi may mga aso talagang,
pinagmamasdan.
nakakatakot.
Oo, pero ito maiba ako ng birthday wish mo naman ngayon, Noel. At New Year din ngayon.
Well, my wish is not for myself, but for everyone watching this Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Yeah, is to have a great day, and of course, sana lahat ng wishes nyo ay mapatupad this 2025.
Wow, very selfless naman
Oo
ang wish ni
naman.
Noel. Happy birthday and thank you for joining us, Noel, and of course si Peso. Maraming salamat for bringing good vibes ngayong unang araw ng 2025. Thank you.
Thank you.